So I have an Electrolux and I got this error. It's the E5A. This thing's overheating. Basically the motor is not running over there. What I ended up doing is this controller, ended up taking it apart. There's 4 screws right there, 1, 2, and you see on the other side right there, there's a spring little mechanism between this. It's got this board right here, there's a board underneath it. There's little solder pads right there, and this little spring device that clamps together actually wore through the solder pads completely. So I ended up reflowing them, not too much because it needs, you can have too much compression. There's already a little bit more strain on this board right here than what it came with. But I put the thin layer, and I was surprised, and it worked. So everything ran, and when I reassembled it, yeah, sorry I don't have a video. I'll try to post something on it. But this is what just got me the E5A error, and I was also having an E58 error earlier. But I'll post something about it.